Hi, my name is Danette Anderson. I got 445 ultra high profile with the internal bra. I had had my breast implants done about 10 years prior, and they were dropping, they were sagging, they were different sizes, and they were very far apart. So I went to a consult with Dr. Watt, and he basically told me that they were too wide for my body. So he wanted to put something in with a little bit more projection because I wanted like a little more cleavage. He did a fantastic job. Every woman around Tampa that had like amazing breasts were done by Tony. I think as a mom, a lot of us don't really put ourselves first, especially when it comes to how we look. I was not happy with where I was, and the surgeries that I've had from him have given me so much more confidence, made me feel good in my skin again like I did pre-children, and I'm just so happy that I did it. So I went in the morning of, and I had my breast obviously done. I also had liposuction, greatest thing ever. I thought I was super excited about the breast, which I am and I love, but the liposuction was like life-changing because I've had 4 kids. I had a little bit of extra fluff, and he just took it right out. We'd never discussed moving the nipples, but once Dr. Watt got in there, I think he realized there was some asymmetry happening that he had to fix. So he actually raised one of my nipples, and I really appreciate that because they're perfectly symmetrical now. Breast recovery wasn't bad at all. The liposuction, because I'd never had it before, I didn't know what to expect, was a little intense because you have to wear the fascia for about 6 weeks, 24 hours a day. It gets leaky in the beginning, and I don't know, it just wasn't super comfortable, but the recovery as far as pain was not bad at all. I would say if you're considering going to Dr. Watt for anything, I would go in with a clear vision of what you want because I feel like he can make anything happen, just communicating really well what you want. If you're going to get breast implants, I would recommend getting the internal bra because I never have to wear a bra. I'm not wearing one today. They're just, and it's been 4 years. They're not falling at all. It's really nice not to have to wear a bra. So about 1.5 years after I had the initial, I went back and I got a little bit more lipo in the stomach, and I also got thigh lipo because I had a bad injury and I was down for about 1.5 years. I couldn't do much activity, and I just kind of wanted that to kickstart my fitness routine back up and just feel a little bit better. And then at that time, I also got something called an upper tuck, which I didn't even know was possible. I didn't have any extra, I have 4 kids, and I didn't have any extra skin on the bottom, but I had enough at the top that it bothered me a lot. When I hunched over, it showed. So he actually was able to remove that and pull the skin up. And that's been awesome because it made my little abs pop, and especially paired with like the lipo. In the near future, I definitely see an upper and lower blep in the next 5 to 10 years, probably a mini facelift. I loved working with Dr. Watt because even if we hadn't already been friends, I feel like I would have felt very much a part of the Watt family and just very comfortable with the staff, and everyone was fantastic.